Nowadays, as I said a little bit in the earlier khutbah, the first khutbah, bi'idhnillah, nowadays, people have this and they want that. They got that and they want that. They are wealthy person, they want to become a politician. They're a politician, they want to make money. What is going on? Because we have not been satisfied that we are successful. We don't have that peace of mind. We don't feel accomplished. So until we don't buy everything else in the world, we will not feel that we have been successful. And that's why the Prophet ﷺ says, those people, it's only when they go in the earth and the earth comes and fills their stomach, the grave, then their belly will be full. You know that saying? Huh? Have you heard of people say your belly is not full? Mean your stomach not filled? Did you eat enough? Don't you have enough? Those kind of people, they will only feel satisfied when they go in the grave and the earth fills their stomach. Say, no, my belly is full. If only I had known better, I would not have been trying to fill it with other things before. Waste the whole life. Don't we go to the cemetery? Don't we see these things?